Hello everybody, this is the video lecture for plus 2 second year students. Today we will discuss about the inference. Before going to discuss the inference, we should know what is inference and what is argument. Mainly, logic is concerned with the valid form of arguments. Arguments, what is argument? When an inference is expressed in language, we call it is an argument. Inference and argument are used synonymously, mostly used similarly. Inference is a mental process, and it is a mental process. We think something. When we see smoke somewhere, what we infer? We infer that there must be fire. Similarly, when we see the muddy water in the air, in the river, what we infer? There must be rain yesterday. We have never seen the rain, but by seeing the muddy water, we infer that there must be rain yesterday. This is called an inference. And when we expressed that the mental thought or the mental process in the form of language, that is called an argument. Where there is smoke, there is fire. The hill is smoky, therefore the hill is fire. This is case of argument. Now, inference is divided into two types: deductive inference and inductive inference. Deductive inference means it is a deductive argument and it is inductive argument. Argument consists of certain propositions. Out of these propositions, some of the propositions are called premises and the last one is called the conclusion. Always the premises imply the conclusion. When the conclusion necessarily follows from the premises, we call it the valid argument. And there are two types of argument: deductive argument and inductive argument. And deductive argument and again is divided into immediate inference and mediate inference. Mediate inference is called the syllogism. And immediate inference, what is immediate inference and what is mediate inference? Immediate inference is one in which the conclusion is drawn from one premise only. And mediate inference is one in which the conclusion is drawn from two premises jointly. For example, of an immediate inference, some men are mortal, therefore some mortal beings are men. The conclusion is directly follows from the premises. For example, I can write down the example: some men are mortal, therefore some mortal beings are men. Here the conclusion directly follows from the premise. One premise and one conclusion. This is called immediate inference. And mediate inference means two premises, one conclusion. The conclusion is drawn from two premises only. All men are selfish, all students are men, therefore all students are selfish. This is called the mediate argument or mediate inference or syllogism. These are the two premises and the conclusion. The conclusion does not directly follows from the premises, it follows from two premises jointly but taken together. We will discuss in the next video lecture regarding mediate inference. But in this video lecture, we will concern about the immediate inference. Immediate inference again is classified into four types: conversion, aversion, inversion and contraposition. Today we will discuss only about this conversion.